Hello guys, welcome to TelePrime classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is accounting. Okay, so here now question begins, what is accounting? So in simple word, let's see an example here. Let's suppose we have received 2000 rupees as income from father, and we have spent that income in many other expenses like auto fare 50, movie ticket 500, restaurant bill 1000, auto fare again 80. So total we have spent it here 1630 rupees and our income was 2000. So here the saving is 370. Okay, so all this process in which we are recording the expenses and the incomes, and also we will record the assets and liabilities as well. So all of this is called in simple word accounting. So here is a definition for this. Accounting is the process of recording financial transaction pertaining to a business. Any type of financial transaction, if it is happening in your business, like you are paying something, you are purchasing, you are selling, every time any kind of financial transaction will be recorded into the accounting. Okay, the accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing and reporting these transactions to oversize agencies, regulation and tax collection. We can also record tax as well in the accounting. So in this video guys, we have learned what is accounting. Thank you.